Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we dive into best PiggyVest reward and cashback offer. So here's the breakdown. If you want a little extra from PiggyVest beyond just savings and investing, keep an eye out for cashback and reward offer that pop up in the app. PiggyVest occasionally partner with brands where you can earn cashback when you pay or top up, meaning you get a small bonus back on top of your savings. A simple way to boost your balance without extra effort. Another pick is referral reward. When you invite your friend, they start saving. Both of you can earn bonus cash straight into your PiggyVest account. So this bonus stack over time and make your money grow a bit faster. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more money saving tips, and comment which reward you would like to go with first. And that's it.